I rise to oppose the introduction of the Electricity Amendment Bill 2022. Any amendment to an Act of Parliament can't frustrate the object of the Parent Act, especially if it goes against the statements of objects and reasons and the scheme of the Parent Act itself. This bill seeks to amend the Constitution through a statute and therefore is beyond the legislative competence of this House, Mr. Chairperson, sir. Number two, Mr. Chairperson, sir, the object of the Electricity Act 2003 was to protect the interests of consumers and supply of electricity to all areas. Section 4, 5 and 6 of the Act create obligations on both the centre and the state for ensuring supply of electricity to rural areas and by extension to the poor. Mr. Chairperson, sir, this amendment bill substantially weakens the power of the states to achieve this objective by providing for multiple privately owned distribution companies in the same area to allow them to use the existing infrastructure. This, Mr. Chairperson, sir, I'm afraid will lead to privatization of profits and nationalization of losses. My penultimate objection to this bill, Mr. Chairperson, sir, is the bill usurps the rights of the states through amendment to Section 79J. The centre is empowered to issue licenses to a multi-state distribution company with no consultation with the states. The State Commission's role is drastically reduced, even though the responsibility for operation and management stays with the states. And my final objection, Mr. Chairperson, sir, is the bill adds that if any state commission is unable to perform its functions on account of vacancies, the central government may, in consultation with the state governments concerned, entrust its functions to any other state commission. This is consultation but not consent of the states, Mr. Chairperson, sir. The other state commission may not be aware of the local dynamics of power distribution in the targeted state. This again usurps the powers of the state. In conclusion, Mr. Chairperson, sir, may I say that the tariff setting applied within a state has been put under the purview of the respective state commissions. But this amendment bill appears to give an overriding power to rules prescribed by the centre when it comes to state commissions' powers to fix the tariff for retail sale of electricity. The word prescribed by the central government occurs 8 times in the original act, whereby it occurs, Mr. Chairperson, sir, 9 times in the amending act. For these reasons, I would like to urge the government to withdraw this bill and have a detailed consultation with all the stakeholders. Thank you, Mr. Chairperson.
Sir, I vehemently oppose